Owen Milne. So today we'll be doing. Owen's funniest burps.
Also, if you didn't,
Whoa! I almost fell.
okay, if you didn't watch last video, where
Bottle flips.
I did a burp that is so long. It's like not 6, but it's like 3 seconds long.
That's still long, guys.
Yeah,
for a
that's
burp.
so long. I was like, but it is an actual burp. It is a burp. Anyways, let's just go on the slide.
Wait, are we doing the burp?
How about we just show them the slide? So guys, this is the slide. Here, I'll hold it this way. This is our slide. Whoa. Yeah, our slide.
Look how cool this is. Ready? Guys, look. So guys, ready? Wait, hold on.
So that's our slide. Also, yeah, so wait, watch. I'm going to climb up the slide. And then we'll do burps.
Yeah. And guys, by the way, this is sponsored by Roblox and Prime, Glowberry Prime, and Fall Guys. So like and subscribe, and I don't like how I just lost a subscriber.
Yeah, we don't like that.
Subscribe again. Just get me 25 subscribers so I can get the play button.
Oh, whoa. I got something to tell you.
And guys, should I drop this?
Yeah, probably.
I mean, it could break, so I don't think I should. Because my sister's old iPad broke when I just smacked it on the ground. And
Wait, did she get mad at you?
no, I was crying, and then she didn't get mad at me. She said it's okay, and then, yeah. Okay, Owen, you burp.
My burp knocked it over.
There's a mosquito in here.
Oh
my
my
God.
God!
Guys,
The blood! Wait,
hold on. Here, I'll show it to them. Guys, I got it. Where is it? Oh, right there, guys. Do you see that blood? Oh my God! Wait, guys, that's people's blood that he sucked up. Okay, guys, let's get back to the video.
Because
That's cool.
I think mosquito blood's like not blue, but I know it's not right.
Yeah. Oh, and do your lungs. Try to do R4.
Bro.
Oh, and do ribbit. Do ribbit. And guys, Owen will do whatever he
We're
does.
getting the video. Oh. Wait, guys, this is also sponsored by
I told them.
and Roblox, Fortnite, and Roblox.
I did not say Fortnite. But guys, if you guys watched first tip challenge, Owen knows that that Fortnite is like Roblox is like a million times better. He said. But to me, I think it is.
I think Roblox is better.
Yeah.
Wait, guys, I just want to show you something. To all of those that love it.
And guys, so guys, hold on, I got something to say. So if you guys play Roblox, like and subscribe now, because I would be mad if you don't. Well, I don't be mad if you don't, but I just will be sad. But you guys don't have to subscribe; it's just an option. But
don't dissubscribe.
yeah,
Or, I mean, unsubscribe. I'm so dumb. when
'cause-
I say that. Now let's go on to YouTube.
So back to the video. Yeah, he's just so good at burping. Oh, do the loudest burp. It sounds not even the loudest burp.
That wasn't even a burp.
Yeah.
I think they heard it. Okay, no, that's not the
Yeah,
worst. I've done one
definitely.
way
Yeah.
louder than that. Why does it say rat? Why does it say rat or
Rat-a-tat. Oh, whoa, yeah.
rat? Okay, that's good. Yeah. Should we end the video?
Okay.
No.
That was not even enough.
Just